Kidneys are an important and vital organ of our body which plays a major role in detoxifying and filtering our blood. But nowadays we are facing lots of kidney related issues and various problems for us which are also life threatening for us. So today I'm going to tell you some food items, some drinks and some lifestyle changes which you have to apply in your daily life, then the condition of kidney related issues will never gonna occur in your body. So let's get started. Hey everyone, this is your host Mahan Singh Sisodia and you're watching me on Disease Media. So firstly, let's talk about those causes which are damaging our kidneys. So our kidneys are damaging just because of our bad lifestyle, that we are eating fast food, we are consuming alcohol, we are doing smoking, or we are doing tobacco consumption, and all of these are very harmful for our kidneys, and all of these consumption are causing various diseases and severe diseases related to kidneys. So you have to remember that you have to avoid all of these food items. So now let's talk about those food items and those dietary changes which will improve the health of your kidneys. So the first thing which you have to consume is water. Yes, it's surprising to know that water plays a very much essential role in maintaining our kidneys' health. Means that you have to drink 3 to 4 liters of water in the whole day, because water is very much essential in maintaining our kidney healthy. The second food item which you have to consume is a type of medicinal plant which is known as Kalanchoe pinnata or Patthar Chatta in Hindi. You simply have to take 3 to 4 leaves of this Patthar Chatta and eat it directly. Or if the direct consumption is not easily for you, then you can also consume it by making its juice. It is also very much beneficial for our kidneys' health. So you have to consume it at a regular basis. And various researchers had also proved that this Patthar Chatta or Kalanchoe pinnata is also very much beneficial for kidney stones patient. Means that if someone have kidney stone, then within few days, if person consumes this medicinal plant at a regular basis, then few days after, the kidney stone will automatically get dissolved and removed from your kidneys. So this plant is very much beneficial for your kidneys. The third food item is a type of drink which you have to consume to detoxify your kidneys, and the food item is known as bottle gourd. Means that you have to consume bottle gourd at a regular basis, but you don't have to consume bottle gourd or lauki by making its vegetable or sabzi. You have to consume it by making its juice. Simply in the morning you have to make 1 glass of bottle gourd juice and drink it in an empty stomach. It will overall improve the health of your kidneys and also keeps your other organs healthy. The fourth food item is a type of vegetable which also plays a major role in detoxifying our kidneys are cabbage or patta gobi in Hindi. The researchers had also proved that this cabbage is very much beneficial in detoxifying our kidneys. You can consume this cabbage by making its vegetable or sabzi, or if the vegetable making is not possible for you, then you can also eat it directly as a form of its roughage or salad. The fifth food item is a type of fruit, and the name of this fruit which detoxifies the kidneys as well as also keeps other organs healthy is known as apple. As you has heard that apple a day keeps the doctors away. This dialogue is absolutely true. Apple plays a very essential role in detoxifying our kidneys also. So remember that you have to take 1 apple at a regular basis in any form. You can also consume it directly, or you can also consume it by making its juice. But remember that if you are a diabetes patient, then you don't have to consume it because it contains excessive amount of sugar which may become harmful for you. Our next food item is blueberry or jamun in Hindi. It also plays various essential role in maintaining our kidneys healthy, and it contains various essential compounds and minerals and nutrients which overall improves the health of our kidneys and makes our kidneys healthy. And the last point which you have to remember is that on the place of normal vegetable oil or refined oil or soya bean oil, you have to consume olive oil, because olive oil improves the heart health also, and it also keeps our all the organs very healthy, and it is also very much beneficial for maintaining our kidneys healthy. So remember that on the place of normal oil you have to consume olive oil. Lastly, you have to remember that you have to take an adequate amount of sleep. At least 7 to 8 hours of sleep you have to take in the whole day, because sleep plays an essential role in maintaining our kidneys healthy. And if you found that the video is helpful for you, then give us a thumbs up, share this video with your family and loved ones, and if you haven't subscribed this channel, then please subscribe this channel for such type of interesting and amazing health related videos.